if you could tell us a little bit about your experience with Dr. Carnes, that would be wonderful.
Okay, well, I've been seeing Dr. Carnes for about 3.5 years,
Mm-hmm.
and I went to him because I had 2 knee replacements. And I noticed that after that, the legs healed and physical therapy went well, but the back wasn't feeling so good. And I think it was a compilation of changing the gait to compensate for the pain in the knees.
Sure.
And I also had disabled parents for a number of years that I had to transport with wheelchairs and lifting, and I'm not sure whether I did it the right way. Obviously, if I did, I wouldn't have had back issues.
Yeah.
So I decided to come, and I saw Dr. Pat Walston first, who's the mom.
Okay.
And then when she transferred over here, I started seeing Dr. Mike, and it's definitely helped quite a bit.
Great. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
You're very welcome.